Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I share Canva designing tutorial, awesome Instagram tips and tricks, and website development with WordPress. If you are interested in all these topics, then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you will know when I exactly post a new video. Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to add a table in Canva and also how to edit a table. If you are interested, then keep on watching. Let's check how to create this table design in Canva. Let's add a new page. To add a table, click on Elements and you will find the table option here. There are 3 types of table designs with different colors available in Canva as shown on the screen. The first one is plain and simple. The second one is with a color row at top of the table, which will highlight the heading of the column, and the third table is fully colored. Now let's start designing the table. Change table size by just using drag and drop edges. To change the color of the cell, select cell and click on Change Color. To change the color of multiple columns, click on 3 dots, and a complete row will get selected. You can add animation to the table. Let's add headings now. To change column size and row size, you can do this manually. To add a row, click on the plus sign. The row will be added. Similarly, you can add columns. To delete rows and columns, click on 3 dots, and you will find the option Delete Row. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.